Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is guidance. It's time to ask for help. Wisdom, knowledge, understanding. It's time to go in your prayer life, your meditation life. Go out to the elements, however you communicate with spirit, and ask for the next step. Ask for help. Have a humble spirit and a humble heart to ask, but also when you get the download, when you have that guardian angel, that person that comes by and says that right word to give you the answer, be strong enough to actually listen and place it into action, because it's going to make your life so much easier. In times of uncertainty, I ask God to guide me to the light within my being. I'm directed to doors that will open to my inner freedom for me to step forward in trust. And I release my faith to God, and my faith is rewarded. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.